travel fashion tips. Here are some practical and stylish travel fashion tips to help you pack smart and look great while exploring the world. Prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. Opt for versatile pieces. Pack clothes that can be dressed up or down, like a black maxi dress or neutral-colored chinos. Comfortable shoes are a must. Choose stylish sneakers, loafers, or sandals that work for long walks and casual outings. Build a capsule wardrobe for travel. Stick to a color palette. Neutral tones like black, white, beige, and navy allow for easy mixing and matching. Layering basics are key. Include lightweight layers like cardigans, scarves, and denim jackets to adapt to varying weather conditions. Pack dual-purpose items. Use a large scarf as a shawl, blanket, or accessory. Think about fabrics. Wrinkle-free materials are a great choice. Go for wrinkle-resistant fabrics like jersey, polyester blends, or merino wool. Breathable fabrics are essential. Cotton and linen are great for warm climates, while fleece and thermal materials are ideal for colder destinations.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Choose functional accessories. A small, secure crossbody bag is stylish and perfect for keeping essentials close. Hats and sunglasses not only elevate your look, but also protect you from the sun. And don't forget compression socks. They're great for long flights while still looking chic under boots. Focus on multi-purpose outfits. Dresses or jumpsuits can transition easily from day to night with the addition of a blazer or bold accessories. And how about swimwear with dual use? Stylish one-piece swimsuits can double as bodysuits when paired with skirts or shorts. Minimize footwear. Limit yourself to 3 pairs: comfortable walking shoes, dressy flats or heels, and sandals or flip-flops if you're visiting warm destinations. Alright, let's talk about packing smart for the weather. When heading to cold destinations, make sure to include thermal layers and a packable down jacket. Don't forget waterproof boots and a compact umbrella. For warm destinations, think lightweight dresses, breathable fabrics, and sandals. A wide-brimmed hat and airy shawls are perfect for sun protection. Now let's organize efficiently. Using packing cubes can really help keep your outfits grouped together for quick access. Rolling clothes is another great tip. It minimizes wrinkles and saves space. And here's a little trick. Wear bulkier items like jackets or boots on the plane to free up space in your suitcase. Incorporate local style. Research and integrate local fashion trends to blend in and show cultural respect. For instance, flowing caftans in Morocco, brightly patterned sarongs in Bali, and neutral, understated outfits for European cities. Essential extras: minimal jewelry, pack lightweight, statement pieces to elevate outfits, portable steamer handy for quick touch-ups on the go, reusable tote bag, perfect for impromptu shopping or beach days. Sample packing list for a week: 3 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 dress or jumpsuit, 1 lightweight jacket or sweater, 3 pairs of shoes, sneakers, flat sandals, 2 scarves, 1 large, 1 small, 1 swimsuit plus 1 cover-up, accessories, sunglasses, hat, compact belt bag. Don't forget to like and subscribe.